I love African drumming because it's very educational, and not many schools have the privilege to be able to do African drumming because it's quite a rare instrument to play in this country. So it's really fun, and I love using different techniques to play the drums. And our teacher Remy is really helpful because he explained things very well, and you don't just learn about African drumming, you learn about its history, the geography about it, and why we do certain things.
Drumming because it's very educative, and you can learn different cultures. It also permits you to learn about stuff, and it's very fun as well.
I like that it teaches me how to keep rhythm, and it teaches me how to get a beat. Also, I love working as a team.
Fun and enjoyable, and we get to learn the history about African drummings,